What's up, guys? I'm going to check out Gcam. One of the subscribers mentioned it to me, and let's go ahead and check it out. So I did download the application, and it definitely takes better pictures than the stock camera. Just way better pictures, but it is a little glitchy sometimes. Like when I go to video, sometimes it'll crash, and when I go to, I think it was slow motion, it'll crash sometimes like that. So that doesn't really work yet, but everything else seems to work. Night mode or night sight works really well. So if you don't know, this is the camera pretty much for the Pixel on here. So you can see the setup is not too different. Instead of the swipe to get to the telephoto in the wide, you just have the icons up here that you can go ahead and push. HDR, flash, and the timer up top, and very simple. So I just want to show you guys some of the photos that I took with the Gcam, just so you can see for yourself. I'm telling you right now, it just takes way better photos. The image processing is much better, and yeah, it just takes better photos. So download it. I'll put the link in the description. It's just better. So